Hello friends, my name is Jadhav Kajal Lalaso. I am assistant professor in Department of Zoology, Devadi College, Devadi. Today we will discuss about pituitary gland, which is situated in our brain. So in that we will discuss about what is pituitary. Then next we discuss about this structure of pituitary. The pituitary gland is divided into two parts, that is anterior pituitary and second posterior pituitary. Then next we will discuss about hormones of pituitary gland. So first we discuss about what is pituitary gland. It is known for master gland of the body. Pituitary gland is small structure in head and it is main endocrine gland which control other endocrine glands which is present in our body. It is also called as hypophysis or master gland because it controls all other endocrine glands. It also control the many functions including growth. In that, first we discuss about structure of pituitary gland. It is pea-sized gland which is very small and which is weighing about 0.5 gram and diameter is about 1 to 1.2 centimeter. And it is located in the hypophyseal fossa which is also known as sella turcica which is present below the hypothalamus, and it is situated in the special type of bone which is also known as sphenoid bone below the hypothalamus. The pituitary gland is divided into two parts, that is first is anterior pituitary and second is posterior pituitary. So this is the diagram or structure of pituitary gland. This is anterior part and this is posterior part. This is a optic chiasma which is a part of brain. Then below this there is the anterior pituitary which is divided into three parts. First is pars tubralis, second pars intermedia and third pars distalis. These parts we will discuss in detail, in further detail. So this is posterior pituitary and this is pituitary stalk which is also known as infundibulum. So this is all about structure of pituitary gland. Then next, anterior pituitary which is also known as adenohypophysis. It is made up of, it is upgrowth of glandular epithelium from pharynx which is originated from pharynx. The cells are originated from the pharynx. It secretes peptide hormones, all hormones of anterior pituitary in the form of peptide form. It is also it is divided into three parts. First is pars distalis. It is a major part of anterior pituitary which in that we will discuss about different types of cells which produce hormones. The next is pars intermedia which is the middle portion of anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary. Then next is pars tubralis which is the stalk part of the anterior pituitary. Then we will discuss about anterior pituitary has two types of cells which is stained differently. In that we will discuss about chromophores and chromophiles. First, chromophores which possess granules and which are stained poorly. They are not secretory. They can't produce any hormones. The next is chromophiles, contain large number of granules and darkly stained. In that chromophiles we will discuss about five types of cells. First is somatotrophs which is secrete somatotrophic hormones or growth hormone. The next is corticotrophs which secrete adrenocorticotrophic hormone. The next is thyrotrophs which secrete thyroid stimulating hormone. The next is gonadotrophs which secrete FSH, that is follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. And then last is lactotrophs which secrete luteinizing hormone. Then posterior pituitary which is also known as neurohypophysis which is originated from the nervous tissue, nerve cells, and it is surrounded by supporting glial cells. Then next it store hormones secreted by hypothalamus. Posterior pituitary only store the hormone, it can't produce any hormone. Then these are the hormones of pituitary In that we will first discuss hormones of anterior pituitary. First is growth hormone, that is STH, means somatotrophic hormone, which is also known as GH. Then second is adrenocorticotropic hormone ACTH. Then third is thyroid stimulating hormone TSH. Fourth is follicle stimulating hormone FSH. Fifth is luteinizing hormone. Sixth, leukotropic hormone, or it is also known as prolactin. These are the anterior pituitary hormones. Then next we will discuss about hormones of posterior pituitary. In that, first hormone is vasopressin or antidiuretic hormone, which is also known as ADH, and second is oxytocin hormone. So this is all about pituitary gland. Thank you.